हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। दोस्तों, आज मैं निकल रहा हूँ यहीं ओस्लो में। एक जगह है जो माउंटेन के ऊपर एक स्की जंप है जो बहुत मशहूर है। उसकी तरफ जाना है, चिल करना है और साथ साथ में फ़ोटोशूट और वीडियो भी बनाना है। सो लेट्स राइड टुगेदर एंड एंजॉय द वीडियो। अब मैं रिंग रोड पे इन हो गया और क्योंकि इसमें जल्दी आदमी पहुंच जाता है निस्बतन अगर शहर के थ्रू जाए तो उधर ट्रैफिक होगा और इसी वजह से थोड़ा सा फास्ट। इसमें पहले कैमरा नहीं था, अभी इसमें भी स्पीड कैमरा लगाया हुआ है। ये लगा हुआ है, ये देखो। I have to fix it and then I start with this trip. Then but small here there I'm still making to be, because now it's winter coming. It's go to the winter lager storage and then next year. But I have planned Europe, Turkey and Iran and then Pakistan, India, like this, down to Indonesia.
Okay. Silk Road.
It could be next, because in one time you can't finish. Last trip I had planned go to down to the Greece, but when I was in Dresden and then I changed the plan because the weather was 1 week. It was raining. I said no. I just turned from Dresden to Berlin and then because it was also way to home, I'm coming home and I see a new countries, so Poland I have been, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia and then Sweden. So it was good. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 new countries. And next time I go down here step by step. It's from last year. I buy new one last year, only 14,000 now. 6,500 I just in Norway. Go up to north, come back, it was 6,500.
Yeah, that I've been driving now. I exactly to Friday. Yeah, I drive yesterday. Beer. Yeah, but I have now just over 5,000.
Oh, the wool, yeah. It will be 6,000 when you go home.
Yeah, about that.
About that, yes. So you often driving this or in the winter just?
No.
I have these bags, the same. That's also I saw it at home.
Lot of people use.
What's the difference between the weight? This one and the soft one is, I think so it's less weight.
Maybe less weight and doesn't hurt so much if you fall down.
Yeah, but this one is more safe because if you put things you can lock.
Yeah,
but the new soft, the soft bags also coming with the lock mechanism.
Okay.
So you can put the lock. Yeah, it says very good, but I don't know. People say it's very durable, very hard. If you fall down, it's 100% waterproof, everything.
Yeah, I like this stuff.
I also like it, but it's if you minimize the weight, some kilos, it's.
But it's very heavy one anyway.
It's a 250 or 49 kilo, yeah?
Drive it, yeah.
In which year is this? 14, yeah?
That's the first model of it.
Well, okay. You have also E1 Schubert, yeah?
Yeah, I like it. Yeah.
But you put it here on the side.
Yeah, I have both sides. I don't know.
It's a zeppelin. It's outside in the air, you know, it's through. There's cabins.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, yeah, natur. I never have been there, but it's there, you see. Which time your boat is going?
7:30.
7:30. You have all day, yeah?
Yeah, I have all day. And I think less than 600.
Yeah. Well, you have very big.
Yeah, I have.
You put Samsung, yeah. It's working good, yeah.
I use locus.
And this one connect to your camera.
No, it's just power.
But this have on power, no power.
Yeah, power. Yeah, connected to camera.
Okay. Yes.
Now it's not. Now it's not.
Oh, it's okay.
But okay.
Yeah, me too. Go down. Nothing to do here. Okay. Have a good journey. This guy, Anki, is from Finland, and he have to wait for his boat because it will be night time, 7:30 or something, he said. So दोस्तों ये था होलमनकुलन एरिया. अभी मैं रिंग रोड पे हूँ और आगे से आप देख रहे हैं ये आदमी जो फिनलैंड का था, ये भी घर की तरफ जा रहा है और मैं भी अपने घर की तरफ जा रहा हूँ. ये तो फिनलैंड जाएगा मगर मैं इधर ही हूँ. खुदा करे कि ठीक सलामत पहुँचे हम सब. Okay guys, the video has come to an end. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, and see you on the next video, and have a good day. Thank you very much. Goodbye.